Okay, it's the blizzard of 22, mid-January 2022. I've shoveled, I've run the snow blower. I've hardly scraped, but I'm getting ready to take the 2018 Honda Civic Turbo Sport hatchback out and see what I can do with this. Take a quick tour of downtown Boone and the ASU, Appalachian State campus. Okay, head out of the driveway. Key to all this is modulation. Easy input to the throttle, the steering, and the brakes. I always like to do a brake check just to see how slick it is. It's pretty slick there. It didn't slide away from me. Looks like they have scraped a little bit. Good set of general MS mud and snow tire on this car. That's General is part of the Continental family. I had hoped to cut up through here, but because of the low clearance on this car, I'm not going to cut through that pile. This is the second day of this weather event. And we've got at least a foot here in downtown Boone, coming into downtown Boone. Inputs easy. Here, if I lock the brake, I just slide forward. If I lock the brake and get off of the brake, it'll catch traction and make the turn. Looks like they're finally making some headway on the downtown streets. Kind of see how hard they've been working just by the looks of that pile of snow. I can actually see some pavement here in downtown Boone, but looking on the sides at the piles, that just goes to show what the crews have been dealing with. Yesterday, everything was pretty much impassable. I spent about 2 hours yesterday clearing the driveway and the sidewalk around the house, a couple paths for my dog to go potty, and did it again today before getting out. There, if you lock it up, see how it slides, let off the brake, and then just modulate it and it catches. The key is not to slide, and the key is not to spin. Here, even on flat, if I spin, I'm barely moving. Luckily, this has traction control. Let me turn the traction control off. Spinning, if I let off, catches traction and starts rolling. This is Howard Street in downtown Boone. Left on Depot Street, and then making a left on Rivers Street that goes through the Appalachian State campus. Not quite as scraped down here. Can't see the pavement. At least the students are taking advantage of the snow and finding places to sled and snowboard on campus without having to drive anywhere. Much distinction to lanes when it's like this. Just one side goes that way, one side goes this way. And there's the Appalachian State University Convocation Center and gym. Spun it a little bit, and there's the main entrance to Appalachian State University. Hope you enjoyed the little trip around downtown Boone and Appalachian State campus during the blizzard of 22. Hopefully get out and do some more snow driving. If you like this kind of stuff, please click like, share, and subscribe to Blue Ridge Back Roads and Adventures. Hope you enjoyed the ride.